Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create a pie chart in Canva. Whether you're working on a school project, a business report, or just want to visualize some data in a fun way, this tutorial will make it super easy and even enjoyable. First, let's open up Canva. Once you're in, head over to the left-hand menu and click on the Elements tab. This is where you'll find all sorts of design elements, but today we're focusing on pie charts. At the top of the Elements section, there's a search bar. Type in pie chart, and Canva will filter the results to show only pie chart templates. You'll see lots of different styles, from simple and clean to colorful and creative. Take a moment to browse and pick one that fits your project style. When you find one you like, just click it and drag it onto your blank canvas. Now that your pie chart is on the canvas, it's time to make it your own. Click on the chart and you'll see options to edit each section. Here, you can input the numbers that represent your data. Canva will automatically adjust the chart to reflect these values, giving you a clear visual of your information. If you want to change colors or labels, it's just as simple. Double-click on the section you want to customize, and a menu will pop up. From here, you can tweak colors, add labels, or adjust the text to make your chart look exactly how you want. You can even experiment with different color combinations to make certain segments stand out, which is perfect for presentations. For those of you working with larger data sets, Canva also lets you import data directly. Just look for the import option, select your spreadsheet from your computer, and Canva will automatically update the pie chart with your data. This feature saves a ton of time and ensures accuracy, especially if your numbers are constantly changing. Once your pie chart looks perfect and all your data is represented correctly, don't forget to save your work. Click the download button in the top right corner and choose the file type that works best for you: PNG, JPG, or PDF. This way, your chart is ready to share, add to a presentation, or include in a report. And that's it. Creating a pie chart in Canva is straightforward, intuitive, and even beginners can make professional looking charts in just a few minutes. Play around with different templates, experiment with colors and data, and soon you'll be creating charts that are not only informative, but visually engaging. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you'll become with Canva's tools. Now, go ahead and start designing your own pie charts. It's fun, fast, and a great way to make your data come alive.